Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making an amazing snack that you and your kids are going to enjoy. Alright, this is called the aloo or potato cheese balls. They are so crispy on the outside and also ooey gooey on the inside. Alright, these will serve up with some sweet chili sauce. It was absolutely divine. I hope you guys try this one. Let's jump right into this video. The first thing you will do is add some garlic salt and some parsley flakes, or you can just use regular salt, that is just fine. And you're going to add your peeled potatoes here. Allow this to boil until it is really nice and tender. And then you're going to remove and add to a nice clean bowl. Now these herbs and spices will be in your description box along with the measurements. Then we are going to mash this until they are nice and smooth. Then go in and add our herbs and season to taste. Here you can adjust your seasoning to your likeness and taste, but ensure this here is really flavorful. Alright, so next I'm using a scoop, or you can use a spoon. And you're going to do exactly what I am doing here. I'm adding a piece of cheese in the center, and I'm rolling this into a really nice ball here. Alright, then you can use whatever cheeses you like. Here I have cheddar, smoked Gouda, and pepper jack. And then you are going to flour and egg wash. And then we are going to add that into our breadcrumbs mixture. I'm using the seasoned breadcrumbs, my absolute favorite. And this is what it looks like before we head to the fryer. Then we are going to fry these guys up until they are really nice and golden brown. Remove, set aside, let it cool, guys. This is piping hot, but I just could not resist. So here I will be doing my taste test. Yes, I'll just absolutely love that sweet chili sauce. You can use whatever sauces you like. Look at that center. Oh my god, my son was like, "Mommy, that one is yours." All right, it is so amazingly delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Please do not forget to check the link out for my aloo potato roti, and my aloo bake is coming soon. All right, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. You guys have a fabulous day. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. See y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.